This is our 1984 27-foot Airstream Sovereign. The previous owner had been using it for camping, but it's never been restored. We bought a farm, so we are planning to park it there, gut it, and update all of the systems because we will be living in it. And we're also going to make some design changes. We want to utilize the character of the space and all of the windows to enjoy our landscape. I think it's going to be the perfect place for an Airstream. Everywhere, and are taking precautions. We've demoed some of the cabinetry and some of it we're still working on, but it feels much brighter in here already. It's so pretty. You get to see the sunset and it really does feel like you're outside, but you know, it has like that tinted window privacy. And even though we don't have any lights on in here, it's still like bright, and it just feels very cozy. Couch is out.
Alright, there's something that's stuck behind. I'm stuck behind this thing. Okay, I'm gonna pull yours off. Ew, that's gross.
Taking out these wardrobes where the wheel well is, it just really opens up the space. It feels so much bigger in here. This is the current end of day 2. We have this area mostly gutted. Kitchen mostly intact. This area is mostly gutted, but we have not touched the bathroom yet.
It's a whatever, she says.
Just kind of looks really messy right now.